Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to drive a Dodge Challenger with a manual transmission. First, get comfortable in the driver's seat. Locate the three pedals: clutch on the left, brake in the middle, and accelerator on the right. Ensure the gear shifter is in neutral before starting the engine. This prevents unexpected movement and ensures a safe start. To move forward, press the clutch pedal all the way down. Then, shift the gear lever into first gear. Now, slowly lift your left foot off the clutch pedal while simultaneously pressing the accelerator with your right foot. This coordination is key to a smooth start, preventing the engine from stalling. For upshifting, accelerate, press the clutch, move to the next higher gear, and smoothly release the clutch while adding throttle. When downshifting, press the clutch, select a lower gear, and release the clutch. You might want to briefly blip the throttle before releasing the clutch for a smoother transition. To stop, press the clutch pedal completely and then apply the brake pedal. Once stopped, shift into neutral. When parking, engage the parking brake firmly. If parking on a hill, leave the car in first gear if facing uphill or reverse gear if facing downhill, in addition to the parking brake.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.